Students, welcome to the digital learning class, to the 4th standard social studies class. In last class, we have learned meaning of plateau, the central highlands, Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. In this part 2, we will learn Deccan Plateau and occupations of the people of the plateau region. See students, this is our Deccan Plateau region of India. This part of the plateau region lies to the south of Narmada Valley and across the Satpura ranges. It is the largest of the southern plateau. Students, this is the Deccan Plateau. Already we seen the central highlands, the upper part of the plateau region. Now we will see the Deccan Plateau region. This part of the plateau region lies to the south of Narmada Valley. This is our Narmada Valley. South of the Narmada Valley we are having Deccan Plateau. The western Ghats and eastern Ghats, both sides we are having Ghats. See, this one western Ghats and this is our eastern Ghats. Both sides of this plateau region we are having Ghats. See students, this place of the Godavari river near Nasik at Timburg in Maharashtra. This place is also of great religious importance in the state. Deccan Plateau is too rich in black soil and therefore it is best for suitable for cotton crop. The delta region being very fertile, a lot of rice cultivated here. So this region is known as the rice bowl of India. And other crops also grown here like groundnuts, sugarcane, wheat, millets, etc. The Kaveri rivers, also spelt as Kaveri, is the main river of the Karnataka. This river is also called the Dakshin Ganga. There is a dam built on this river near Mysore called the Krishna Rajasagar Dam. The Naga Arjun Sagar Dam is a big multi-purpose dam across the river Krishna. The dam in the Deccan Plateau region, see students, the dams in the Deccan Plateau region are a very important source of water, especially since its rivers are seasonal and do not have water all around the year. These dams' water provide electricity and irrigations to the fields. The Deccan Plateau region is very important of the country. It is also storehouse of minerals like coal, gold, iron ore, mica and manganese. These are the minerals. There are many waterfalls in the Deccan Plateau region. The Jog Falls is the highest waterfall in India and it is located on the river Sharavati in Karnataka. The waterfalls are a major tourist attraction. Jog Falls is also called the Gurusappa Waterfalls or Jugdagandi. Important cities of the Deccan Plateaus are Hyderabad, Pune, Bengaluru, Pune, Nagpur, Aurangabad, Kolhapur and Satara. These are the important cities of Deccan Plateau. Now comes occupations of the people. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in Deccan Plateau region. There are industries and mines in this region too. Some crops are grown in Deccan Plateau are rice, jowar, ragi, maize, cotton, sugarcane and groundnuts are grown here. So students, here we are completed 9th lesson, the plateaus.